Okay, so an unboxing of my Ember ducky. Open it up. Got from this one website. Here's the packaging for it right here. So came in next day delivery. So box it up in here. So get this out. Okay. Let's wrap it in here. There we go. And here it is. This is the springtail. So I order one springtail here. And the rubber ducky. So this is their moss. So I got a simple moss. And there's a coat pack. And the duckies are in here. So let me go and open this up first. Okay, so here's the Sis Ember ducky. So, oh, you can see them in there. There they are. Ah, that's super cute. There it is. So got one of that. They got some kind of food in there. So let me open this up first. Okay, so I got the lid open. And it got some kind of fry here or something. See if we can find them in here. Oh, look at them. Wow. They're running around. Look. Wow. So beautiful. Look at that. It's running around there. There's another one there. There's another one there too. Wow, they look very, very nice. Wow. So, got a moss in here. There's the one there. So cute. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna start pouring them into the tank and let them be in there. They're so cute. Wow. There's actually one hiding in here. Wow. Okay. So here's the ducky. There's a big one right there. So there's 5 here and one of it already put into the tank. You can see, oh my god, they're so beautiful. Yeah, wow. Wow. That is one big one right there.